Hey YouTube, I got the GoPro on, and I have both hub motors working right now. There's an update. So this one, I changed the P settings, P6, the wheel size to 24.4, which is the highest settings it goes to. You can see right here, both displays are on. This is for the front motor, front wheel hub. Right now, the front wheel hub, and these are the lights I'm going to use for the front. I have two of them. They're pretty cool. I'm going to have one on top of the other. So this is the front wheel hub, 350 watt, 36V, connected to the Bird Air battery. The light is on. I still have to figure out which one is the electric brakes for both the front and rear. But both of these hub motors are separately. They're not hooked up together yet because I'm going to put these two displays, hook them up together and just have one display. But I just wanted to do this to see. It's just an experiment. It's a DIY, experiment. So if you're wondering why this is like this, is because this is the brake for now. It has a brake disc and caliper, so I'm using that as the brake for now, which is puts load on the rear hub motor, but this is stronger than the front one. The front one is not set. The parameter for the front one is 8.5. That's the wheel size, so that's what I have here. So we're gonna change that right now, the front one, to 24.4, which is the same as the rear, because I changed that setting to 24.4 yesterday, and this is how fast it goes. So I have this rear hub motor separate from the front hub motor. So you see the front hub motor is not turning, yet the front hub motor light is on. It's not turning at all. So this is how fast this hub motor is going. You get the difference between the front and the back. See the front now? Front display. So let's change the front display. This is how fast it's going. So let's change this, let's go into the P settings in this one and change the wheel size to 24.4. You're gonna hit both mode and power to go into the P settings. Oh, let's change that to 36. Well, it was on 36, okay. Wait, let's put it on 36. Let's go back in there. Oh, 36. Okay, I turned it off. Just turn it back on. Go into the P settings. Let's change that to 1 because that's what I have in mind. Go back in. I keep on. That's on. This is the voltage, 36. This 10. What is 10? I'm not sure what that is, but I forgot. Okay, so the wheel size on this one is set at 10. So let's change that to 24.4. You'll see the difference in speed on the front hub motor display. So it's digital, so it takes a while. You can't press it to speed it up. So you just go through them. That's 16 wheel size, 16.4. Let's go all the way to what I have it on the back hub motor. And then we'll back out of this. We're almost there. Okay, we're there. So that's the wheel size, 24.4, which will make the scooter, the front hub motor, go faster. Now, let's see the difference on how fast the wheel goes. Okay, so that's on mode 1. Let's put it on the voltage. You can see the voltage down here, 36.6. Let's change the mode and see how fast it goes now. Okay, so let's put it on mode 3 and see how fast it goes now. You can see it's starting to shake everything here. That's not how fast it goes. So let's check both hub motors on together. See how fast it goes together. Hey! Get off of there, you're gonna get fucking electrocuted. My stupid ass dog trying to lick the fucking wires. Just check one more time because my dog is over here. Let's put the voltage on this one. Voltage is at 35.1 on the rear. Let's put it on mode 3 for the rear. They're both on 3. And let's hit both of them and see what happens. Rear first, then the front. So you can hear them. Both of them are working at the same time. Not in parallel, separate. Both displays are working. That's the rear. And this is the front. They both want to go more, and they said you can put as much voltage through these as you want. It's just they might burn out. So that's as far as I want to go with these two, 350 to 500 watt. I won't try to put a 500 watt on these. They'll burn out, that's for sure. But with the P settings, you go into this These this display and these controllers, I bought them separately on Amazon with the displays. And YouTube will show you how to work these. I found out on YouTube how to do it. Anybody can do this. But yeah, I got both displays and both batteries working. These are the switches that I'm using. These 3-prong switches to turn on the ignition. This is for the front motor. This one is for the rear motor. And as you see, the DIY project is coming along. Pretty soon I'm gonna put them in here as soon as the weather gets better, guys, because you see out there is still a lot of snow and ice on the ground. So the rear light, it's working. Brake light and the front headlight, which has 2 modes. I'll change the color right now. It has, these headlights are pretty cool. They have 2 colors on them. You can see right there it's white, and then when I hit the switch it turns yellow. So I gotta hook up a switch to these lights right here. I have 2 of them, so I might put one on my e-bike and just put one, but you know what, I'm gonna put both of these since they were cheap. I bought these on Amazon also. So I got a GoPro now, guys, so I'm just getting used to vlogging on the GoPro, so bear with me. Yeah, this is the front motor. Front motor is on now. You can hear it, it wants to go. The voltage is at 35.9 right now. And that's on gear 3. I think I can make it go faster, but I gotta mess with the settings, because I believe the rear hub motor is faster than the front hub motor. So the voltage for the rear is 35.1. Let's check out the rear one more time, because I did change a little bit of the settings on the P settings. See how fast it goes. With the load of the pushing the other wheel, I believe it's doing a lot of friction, but this wheel is stronger. It can hold it. But anyway, this is the front motor. And this is the rear motor. Stay tuned for more, guys. I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna throw the batteries, the displays, everything on it, and see how we're looking wiring wise. But please hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of this scooter. I'm gonna be hooking up a LED where you put the feet on, right here, the deck. This is the deck that came with it. This is the deck that came with it, this here. So what I'm going to be doing to this is adding a LED plexiglass under here, under the deck, so you can see it when it's all together. You're going to see the LED lights right here. all the way around. So I'll be doing that also. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to make a video on the deck. But anyway, I have the two displays on. Boom and boom. You can see both of them right there and right there. It's gonna be pretty fast, guys. Two-wheel drive, each work independently on its own display and its own controller. Let's go. Hit like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you next time.